That's why please, and I hope your management is going to do that, all of you need to have your Care Fiji app on. You have to do that. When you download your Care Fiji app, it uses just a little bit of data. We've got an arrangement with Vodafone and Digicel. They double the data for you. It's like a rebate. The battery is very little, it uses very little battery. But you have to have it on. You're working in a hotel. I'll tell you one of the reasons why. We are all here in a room now. God forbid, say in 2 days' time, if they say they have got COVID-19. They will ask me, who were you with in a room for more than 15 minutes within 2 meters? I can't remember all of it. Humanly impossible. So, I won't be able to say, I can say, yes, I was in a room with some people, and who was there? Because the moment I'm in a room, somebody who has got COVID-19 is in a room with you, they need to get in touch with you really quickly to tell you, hey, come in and get a test done. You were with somebody who's got COVID-19. So if they're able to get in touch with you really quickly, probably save your life, save you from spreading it to your family, and what we have, and stop what we call a community outbreak. Because the moment you get a community outbreak, people will look at you. People will look at us as a country. But more importantly than that, when we go and talk to the Australians and the Kiwis, we can say to them, look, 50% of our population have Care Fiji. So in their mind, the tourists will think, hey, if I go to Fiji, it's good. Everybody, if I want to go to Westin, everybody at Westin has got the Care Fiji app. All the guys in the garden, the people working in the restaurant, everybody's got the Care Fiji app on. So if there is a community outbreak or somebody has it, they can get in touch with me really quickly. That's what it's all about. So you see, it's a very Mandua situation. When I went to talk to the Aussies and Kiwis and say to them, only 50,000 Fijians have downloaded the app. The Australian Prime Minister was on TV a week and a half ago, and he was saying 40% of Australians have got their app on. The app that we are using is the same source code as the Australians and the Singaporeans are using. Same. The app, simply the way it works, please give me your phone. So, he doesn't have the app on, right? So, how many people have the app on? Just okay, great. So, you see what's happening? I've got my phone, he's sitting here. At the moment, the Bluetooth is just signaling, bouncing off his phone. All it does, it records his number. It does not say we met at Nandi, does not say we met in room 221, does not mean that, does not record whether we are holding hands, doesn't do any of that. All it does is simply records the number. After 28 days, the number falls off. It only records for 28 days. It's only for those people in close proximity with. If somebody is standing there and I'm standing here, it won't record it. They won't be able to bounce. It's within 2 meters. So, the example that I was using, if I have COVID-19, and I go to the Ministry of Health or I go to a doctor and say, you got COVID-19, who were you with? I say, okay, I go to the Care Fiji airport. So they'll send me a PIN number. I have to agree and I put the PIN number. The moment I put the PIN number, all the numbers that I've been in close contact with for the past 28 days, only the numbers, not his name, where he's from, where we met, that number will go to the Ministry of Health. There's a dashboard. The numbers will go on there. What they'll start doing is to start dialing those numbers. Excuse me, sir. You have been in close contact with someone with COVID-19. Please quickly come. These are the measures you need to take. Don't go and mix around and pretty quickly come to the nearest health facility. We need to test you. That's all it says. So when we are able to go and talk to the Australians and Kiwis, we have to say, yes, 15% of Fijians have it. All the hotel workers have the Care Fiji app on. See, we can start doing even things like saying Westin has got 100% Care Fiji app, whereas the other hotel is only 5%. Where will the tourists go to? They'll come here. The same way with globally. If we have 50% of the population with Care Fiji app on, and another country does not have an app, where will they go to? Because people now will look at the health security. So that's very important. So please download it, tell people you know, your family, your friend members. Does not cost anything. In fact, gives you more data because of the arrangement with Vodafone Digital. But it also makes our ability to go and market ourselves to the rest of the world a lot better. And I hope the management can do that. In fact, I was at one of the hotels, without mentioning the names, they were getting like full for the weekend. And what they said they were also going to do is have a competition for all the people, guests who stay. And these are locals staying there at the hotel. Those of you who care Fiji Airport, and they give you a prize and all the raffle and all that, you can win the draw for that. Just to encourage people to have the care Fiji Airport. But most certainly the staff will all going to have that airport.